Welcome to Ben Talks Money. Here we discuss stocks, investments, ETFs, and personal finance.
What is going on with Sofi? This stock has been dropping like a fly since it hit all-time high of $30.50. And it's right now trading around $25.80, $25.90. So what is going on with Sofi right now? Is it dead? Is it time to buy the dip? What is going on? So in this video, we will take a look at the Sofi chart. We'll take a look at the daily chart, the 15 minutes chart, and the hourly chart to see what is going on with Sofi and whether it's a buy or a short right now. Hi, welcome to Ben Talks Money. My name is Ben. I have an MBA in finance and management, and I have been trading for the past 8 years. So if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. We've had some great videos on this channel. I made a video yesterday about QuantumScape KOS. The stock is up 16%. So join the channel. Let's keep growing and let's make money together. So let's take a look at the Sofi hourly chart to see what's going on. If you look at the hourly chart, you can see that Sofi is making an inverted U shape. Usually when I'm looking for beating down stocks, I look at them trying to form a base U shape, which signals a reversal of a trend, right? And this is exactly what is going on here with Sofi. Sofi made an inverted U shape, which signals a trend reversal. And since then, it's been going down and down and down. This stock is holding up here around $25.90. So is this stock a buy? Is it a good time to buy the stock now? I would say it depends on why you are buying. If you are buying Sofi for the long term, then definitely this is a level that you might want to look at it. Because look, this is a support zone. The 25.90, 26 level is a support zone. You can look at it here, right here too, right here. So it's a huge support zone. So definitely if you are looking to buy for the long term as an investment, you might want to invest about 20% of your total investment at this stage, right? But if you're looking for a swing trade, I don't think this is a level that you have to buy because the market right now is a little bit edgy. Looking at the shutdown, I mean, the tech stocks and a lot of the stocks, they are still going up. They are still doing what they do. But if a stock is in a trend reversal like this, you might have to wait a little bit and see what it's going to do at this kind of support level. Sofi, as of the recording of the video, you can see on the hourly chart, is holding the support. But what about tomorrow? Is it going to still hold the support or is it going to break it? That's the question. And to me, for a swing trade, this is not the level to buy. For investment, you can put 20% in at this point. And if we break this level, if we break below this level, the next level will be right here, $24, around $24 area. So, and that is a really strong support level. And to me, that is the level that I'm looking at right now with Sofi. Because as you can see, this stock is up more than 100% this year. And people are taking profit. I sold most of my call options on Sofi. I sold about 95% of them because you have to pay yourself. When people say, I'll hold this stock forever. No, I'm not holding any stock forever. You have to look at the technicals, the fundamentals, and look at the trend. Right now, if you sold at $30.50, you can buy here at what? More than $5 cheaper You can buy. And with that same money that you sold, you can buy more shares. So I don't buy into this notion that I'm holding the stock forever. No, I don't hold stocks forever. If it goes up and I'm content a little bit with the profit, I will sell some. You have to pay yourself. That's the whole point. We are not here to marry the stock. We don't have any sentiment with Sofi. We don't have any emotional attachment with Sofi. We don't own the company. We are just investing in the stock. So if you make a lot of money, a reasonable amount of return, you need to take some profit. I'm not saying sell all of it. And this is not a financial advice. That is my opinion. Pay yourself. And when the stock dips like this, you can always buy it back. Because the stock market, no stock on this market goes up forever. It goes up, it dips, and then it goes back up. So when it goes up, you sell some, and when it dips, you buy more. That's how you make money. That's how you grow your portfolio. Okay? So to me, I'm not interested in Sofi at this point because I'm not looking at Sofi as a long-term investment. I'm looking at Sofi as a swing trade, mostly with options. So I don't want to catch a falling knife. I feel this stock has a little bit more room to go on the downside. With the government shutdown in motion, we don't know how it's going to affect the market, especially if the shutdown keeps on going for a longer period. So I'm not going to buy Sofi at this point because even I'm not interested at it in Sofi right now, but the stock is definitely not dead. It's just profit taking that was expected. I made a video earlier on about Sofi when it was hitting all-time highs. I was making a video telling people to take some profit. And this was the reason why, because now it has pulled back quite a lot, about $5 from the all-time high. So to me, I'm waiting for Sofi to at least build some form of a consolidation. I want to see an exhaustion from the selling and then build some form of consolidation. Even if it's at this level, if it's holding this level, I want to see a form of consolidation. If it breaks below this level, I want to see a consolidation around $24. I don't want to catch a falling knife. And again, you can't time the market. There's no way anybody can tell you with certainty that Sofi is going to bounce back at this point. That's why we do technical analysis. Sofi can come up with the news tomorrow and the stock will move 50%. Nobody knows that. What we know is what we can see from the chart. And that's what I base my trades and my analysis on, what I'm seeing from the chart. Any external news, I don't have control over it. But what I know from my experience and from what I've learned is to study the chart and see how the stock is going. Let's take a quick look at the daily chart. If you look at the daily chart, you see it's the same inverted U shape from just like it was on the hourly chart. And again, if I was looking for a stock for a trend reversal, that is one of the signals that I look for, a U shape. This is clearly a trend change in Sofi. So you want to wait for the sellers to be exhausted, see some form of consolidation before you come in. This is the same here on the 15 minutes chart. If we take a look at the 15 minutes chart, it's the same inverted U shape on all of the charts. So it's clearly a trend reversal and you just want to wait. Patience is virtue. Even the Bible says that those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. Wait. Be patient. See consolidation before you buy, before you put in your hard-earned money. All right. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. And if I see a change in trend from Sofi, I will definitely make a video about it. So subscribe to the channel Stay tuned, turn on the notification button so that as soon as I upload such video, you will be the first person to know. And until next time, let's keep talking money.